got a question. I'm a supervisor and I make salary. And I was wondering, we work like 84 to 90 hours a week. Is there a law saying I can't get overtime, or do I supposed to get overtime?
Well, that's a great question.
That is a great question, and we deal with that all the time, my firm and as well as Kirby's firm. Because you're salaried, the test is not whether you're salaried or not, it's whether you're an exempt employee or not. And if you're an exempt employee, that means you're exempt from the overtime laws and your employer won't have to pay you overtime. But if you're a non-exempt employee, even though you're being paid a salary, then you are entitled to overtime if you're non-exempt. So what you have to do is, supervisor, normally people will think of that as an exempt position, but there are tests to see whether you're exempt, the number of people that you supervise, for example, how many do you supervise, what type of work are you actually performing day in and day out. And so what I would urge you to do is talk to an attorney about that, because if you're a non-exempt employee and you're not being paid overtime, then that's a problem.
And he needs to make that call, really, and it needs to be someone that handles Fair Labor Standards Act claims, FLSA claims. Because that needs to be looked into.
Yeah, especially if you're working that many hours. We see it all the time where an employer will pay you a salary and then make you work all those hours just to prevent you from having to pay overtime. And because you're a supervisor and receiving a salary, you don't think that you have any rights, but you really do.
We see that case all the time.